Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to create pivot table slicers in Excel. Well, what are these slicers? Slicers are nothing but the pictorial filters. It means here I have created two slices, one is for year and one is for region. Okay, and here I have already created one pivot table for the summarizing data, that is products and how much items sold based on these products. Okay, now this year filter or year slicer, what it will do, if we just select this 2016, it will show the data or summary for only selected year. If we select 17, it will select the summary for the year 2017. If we select year 2018, it will change the summary for the 2017. Well, in addition to that, if we want to just see the summary of 2018 and from only north region, we can also do that, or from year 2018 and from the west region, we can also do that. So this is the power of slicers in Excel. Well, how we can create these slicers? Let's learn through this video. Okay, for this we have to create the pivot table first. Okay, so here is the raw data. I have already posted one video on this creation of pivot table, but for the new users, new subscribers, I will again quickly show how we can create the pivot table. Okay, first of all we have to select any cell from this data, then we have to go to the insert tab. We can find the option pivot table under this tables group. Click on this. Okay, one dialog box named as create pivot table will appear on our screen. We have to click this option, select table or range, and we have to select this as new worksheet. Click OK. We can see that pivot table will be ready on our sheet, new sheet. Okay, for this we have to select this pivot table fields. These fields are nothing but the names of the header of our this raw data. These are the headers, so these are the same names we can see here in this pivot table fields, and with the help of these four fields, that is filter, column, rows and values, we can create the pivot table. For example, we will select the product in the rows. Okay, so products are appeared on the rows, and total or number of items sold, we will select, drag and drop this in the values. Okay, we will just adjust the alignment. Okay, now we want to select the year. Okay, in which year we want to perform the data. So here we can also drag and drop this year field in this filters field, and we can select one by one. For example, if we select 2016, we can see the data for 2016. If we select 2017, we can select the 2017 data. Or if we deselect this, and if we come here and select region and drag and drop under this region, we can select east region, and we can see the data from the east region. Again we will select this north, and we can see the data from north. But every time we have to go to this filter and we have to select this manually, so this is not that much user friendly. So what we will do, we can create slicers for this. How to create slicers? We have to select any cell from the created pivot table. With this we can see that two additional tabs, one is analyze and another one is design tab, will get appeared on our screen. But one important thing I want to mention here is that these two fields will enable if and only if our active cell is in the pivot table. If we select anywhere outside this cell or outside the pivot table, we can see that these two tabs will get disabled. Okay, so once again I will select any cell from the created pivot table, and with the help of this analyze tab we can create the slicers. If we select this analyze tab, we can see that under filter group one command, that is insert slicer, is available. So if we select this insert slicer, we can see the dialog box, and it will ask us for which pivot table field. Okay, these are again same names which we can see on the header of our raw data. So on which field we want to create the slicer. Okay, so we will create two slicer. One is for year. Select this year and click OK. We can see that year slicer is again appeared on our screen. We can also adjust size, and we can also change the style of this slicer here. Okay, and again we will select another slicer for the region. For this also we can adjust the size, and we can also change the color. Okay, now if we select 2016, we can see that data for the 16 and north region is automatically filtered. If we want to clear all the filters, we can click this create clear filter button. Okay, now we can see all the data. If we have to just summarize the data based on the year, we have to just click this. If we want to select the data based on the region, we can also select that. Okay, so this is very simple, very convenient and very user friendly data summarization with the help of these slicers. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.